Updating your address with Regions Bank is a straightforward process that can be done quickly. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into online banking. Before changing your settings, use the Eshrok.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that updates your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Settings section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Address Update. In the Profile Settings, look for an option that says Update Address or Personal Information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter new address. Input your new address details in the provided fields. Make sure to double check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new address, review the information and click on Save or Submit to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. Make sure to keep your contact information up to date to ensure you receive important communications from Regions Bank.